Hi everyone, I am Mrs. B. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasi Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about the data types in Python. Data types. Data types are the classifications of data items. It represents the kind of value. What is a value? A value can be any letter, number or string. That tells what operations can be performed on a particular data. In the given example, each values belong to different data types. In Python, every value has a data type. So, data type is a set of values and the allowable operations on those values. In Python, type function is used to determine the type of data type. Python has 5 standard data types. They are numbers, string, list, tuple and dictionary. Let us see in detail by one. Number data type stores the numerical values. This data type is immutable. Immutable means the values cannot be changed. Python supports 4 different numerical types. They are integers, long, floating point numbers and complex numbers. Integers. It contains positive or negative whole numbers without a decimal point. In Python, there is no limit to how long an integer value can be. Long. They can also be represented in octal and hexadecimal representation. Float. It is a real number with floating point representation. It is specified by a decimal point. Complex numbers. It is specified as real part and imaginary part. Here are the some of the examples of different number format. Sequence. Sequence is an ordered collection of items indexed by positive integers. It is a combination of mutable and immutable data types. Mutable means values can be changed. Immutable means values cannot be changed. There are 3 types of sequence data type available in Python. They are strings, lists, tuples. String. In Python, a string is a collection of one or more characters represented in either single quote or double quote. For creating a multi-line string, we have to represent the string in triple quote. The individual characters of a string can be accessed by using the index value. The index value allows negative address references to access the characters from back of the string. In the given example, -1 refers to the last character and -2 refers to the second last character and so on. List. A list is an ordered sequence of items. Values in the list are called elements or items. A list contains the items separated by commas and enclosed within a square brackets. Items in the list can be of different data types. Here is the example how to create a list in Python. Tuple. A tuple is same as list except that the set of elements is enclosed in parentheses instead of square brackets. A tuple is an immutable list. That is, once a tuple has been created, you can't able to add elements into a tuple or remove the elements from the tuple. The benefits of the tuples are if the user wants to protect the data from the immediate changes, tuples can be used. They are also used as a keys in dictionaries, while list cannot. They are faster than the list. Altering the tuple data type leads to an error. Here is the example how to create a tuple in Python. Dictionaries. A dictionary maps keys to values. The dictionaries are unordered sets of objects and it is created by using the curly brackets. It can be accessed via keys and not via their position. The values of a dictionary can be of any data type. So, dictionaries are unordered key value pair. What is a key value pair? The association of a key and a value is called a key value pair. Here is the example how to create a dictionary in Python. Set. Python also provides two set types, set and frozen set. The set type is mutable while frozen set is immutable. They are unordered collections of immutable objects. Boolean. The Boolean data type is either true or false. In Python, the Boolean variables are defined by the true and false keywords. The keywords true and false, the first letter must be in uppercase. Thank you for listening.